If your visuals don't feel high-end yet, it's usually because the spacing and framing aren't refined enough. Today, how to explore advanced visuals. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Start by inserting 2 frames of different sizes and position them in a slightly asymmetrical layout. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting carefully for balance. Now select the background and apply a soft gradient or muted premium tone. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a layered effect. Add thin line elements between frames and lower their opacity to keep things subtle. Use position tools to align everything without making it